Let's try to solve these problems. Convert the following mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let's start with 1 and 2/5. So to convert a mixed number to improper fraction, the first step is we multiply the denominator by the whole number. So we have 1 times 5, that will be 5. Then plus the numerator 2. So we have 5 plus 2, which is 7. So this will be the numerator of the improper fraction. And then over the same denominator of 5. So therefore, 1 and 2/5 is equal to 7 over 5 as an improper fraction. For number 2, we have 3 and 7 over 12. So again, let's multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 12 times 3, which is 36. Then add the product to the numerator 7. So we have 36 plus 7 or 43. And then copy the same denominator of 12. So therefore, the improper fraction is equal to 43 over 12. For number 3, we have 11 and 3/8. Again, let's multiply the denominator by the whole number. 8 times 11, 88. Then, plus the numerator 3. So, 88 plus 3, that is 91 over the same denominator of 8. So, the final answer is 91 over 8. For number 4, we have 21 and 15 over 17. So, let's multiply 21 times 17. So 1 times 7, 7. 7 times 2, it's 14. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 2. Let's add, bring down the 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. So we have 357 plus the numerator 15. So 357 plus 15, that will be 372 over the same denominator of 17. So the final answer is 372 over 17. For number 5, we have 14 and 24 over 131. So let's multiply 131 times 14. 4 times 1, it's 4. 4 times 3, it's 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 1, 1. Then let's add, bring down the 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Then bring down the 1. So the product is 1834. And then we need to add the numerator 24. So we have 1834 plus 24, that will be 8581. So 1858. So this will be the numerator of the improper fraction. So we have 1858 over the same denominator of 131. So this is the final answer. Okay, so now it's your turn. So try to solve these problems and just comment your answers.